Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Mateo, wake up! Get up, get up!
Just 5 more minutes, please.
No way. We have a busy day. It's the last day of the year.
Okay, I'm up. You did a great job planning this trip to France. It's amazing.
I'm so excited. Let's go out for lunch at a real French restaurant.
Let's have breakfast first. I'm really hungry.
Mateo, look at the time. It's almost noon. Breakfast service is finished. It's time for lunch.
Oh, you're right. Let me just quickly change my clothes and we can go.
Hurry up. Let's go. I can't wait to try French food.
I'm ready. Let's go find this amazing restaurant.
Look, that table by the window's free. Let's go there.
Okay, let's go. The view is nice.
Bonjour. Welcome. Ready to order.
Yes, please. I'll have the coq au vin.
And for me, the boeuf bourguignon. Thank you.
Excellent choices.
I still can't believe we're spending New Year's Eve in Paris. The Christmas decorations everywhere are just magical.
It really is. The lights on the Champs-Élysées were incredible. Do you remember the big Christmas tree we saw?
Of course! It was so tall and sparkling. It's so different from Christmas back home.
Yeah. It feels more historic here. What was your favorite Christmas tradition when you were a child?
Waiting for Santa Claus, definitely. And leaving milk and cookies for him? What about you?
I loved when my whole family gathered to sing Christmas carols.
Voilà. Bon appétit.
Merci. Oh, Mateo, look at this. It smells divine.
It looks fantastic. Let's make a toast. To our first New Year's Eve together in Paris and to many more to come.
To us and to new beginnings. That was incredible. Now, let's go for a walk. I want to feel the New Year's atmosphere in the streets.
Okay, let's go. It's starting to snow a little.
The snow makes everything look like a fairy tale. I'm so glad we decided to walk.
Me too. Look at that little shop over there. It's still decorated with Christmas ornaments.
It's so charming. Do you think people in France celebrate the whole period from Christmas to New Year?
I think so. It's a festive season. It feels like the celebration lasts for weeks.
I love that. What was your best New Year's resolution that you actually kept?
Probably learning to cook. Remember the terrible pasta I made when we first started dating?
How could I forget? You've improved a lot.
Thanks to you. What about you? Any resolutions for this year?
I want to worry less and enjoy the moment more, like right now.
That's a perfect resolution. And my resolution is to help you with that.
You're the best. Look, the Eiffel Tower is getting closer. I can hear the crowd.
The energy is amazing. Let's get closer for the countdown.
Wow, look how many people are here.
It's so crowded and so beautiful with all the lights.
Look over there. The countdown is starting on the big screen. Thank you, Mateo, for bringing me here. I love you, my love.
I love you too, more than anything. This is just the beginning.
It's the most perfect night of my life.
Ours. The most perfect night of our life. Together.